The ultimate advice for every 3D artist working with V-Ray for SketchUp. So are you 3D artist that always working with V-Ray for SketchUp and having a problem when creating a 3D rendering, and somehow you also get the customer that always like asking a lower price? Hey, Ronaldo here. In this video, I want to share with you my experience working with my business coach, which is not just business coach, but also my mentor when it comes to rendering. So the first time I asked him to be my mentor, and he said yes, and he also gave me a good advice, which is, I believe this is the ultimate advice that everyone should hear from him. And he said that how you do anything is how you do everything. And Ronaldo, if you treat this industry not as an art, and you just want to be able to create this rendering to make money, chances are you will get the client that you deserve for, which is the client that always want to value your work with money, which is only the client that only want to pay cheap and always want to take advantage of you, because you only want to take advantage from doing rendering, which is just trying to make money. You treat this industry is like convenience store, as if you are buying a cigarette or buying a lighter on convenience store or sandwich. You just pay for the price and then you go, which is this industry is actually art. The art of creating a photorealistic from your imagination, and you need to put lots of effort like details and storytelling, like play with the light and the shadows, also with the like this composition, and make sure that you always start with the story. Never ever think that you want to sell your image, but you need to sell your service, and your image going to reflect the way how you think, because rendering is an art itself, and it's going to reflect who you truly are. So when you just want to work for money, definitely you will always like giving a limit on your effort. If you want to sell like 500 bucks, you only give the client this kind of quality, which is the same with the 500 bucks, which is, you cannot limit art with those kind of things. So make sure that you always put your heart when you are doing the rendering, because how you do anything is how you do everything. How you do something, how you do your rendering, going to attract your client, and your client definitely going to know how or who you truly are through your rendering. And definitely big client will be able to see you if you are really want to generate result for them, or you just want to make money by ripping their money off. If you put a lot of effort and put all of your heart in your rendering, the big companies will notice and definitely want to work with you, because they will feel safe that you are always want to give benefit for them and generate result for them. So that is the ultimate advice that he gave to me, and I always use it until this very day, and what makes me today. My name is Ronaldo from 2G Studio, and I hope this video brings value to you. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on our YouTube channel. And if you are someone to want to get the step-by-step production workflow to help you to learn about rendering in the very strategic way, just click on the link on the description or somewhere in this video. And please don't forget to tag your friend on the comment below, and I will see you on the next video.